Are you tired of searching exhaustively in an Excel document? Do you want to find a solution to this? Then let's watch today's video. Hello everyone, welcome to the second video of the Microsoft Excel series. In this video, we are going to talk about the use of filters. Okay, so let's get started. So in our last video, we have made a table of groceries. We have arranged them in columns and also mentioned the quantity of each fruits which we are buying. Okay, so let me just increase the font size a bit so that it becomes clear. So today let's focus on adding filters. Okay, so what do I need filters for? For example, I am putting the status of the fruits which I have already bought, in the required quantity. For example, apples I have bought 10, so it's done from my side. So let's move on to the next fruit. Oranges I have bought 6 out of 12. I have mentioned here 12, but I have bought 6, so this hasn't been bought completely yet, right? So if I add, for example, a status column, and since apples I have bought, and here I am writing yes. Okay, similarly, in case of oranges, since I haven't bought 12 oranges yet, so I am writing here no. In case of mangoes, I have bought them. In case of papaya, I have bought them. In case of pineapple, I have not yet completed my buying of 16 pineapples. A watermelon, I have bought 8, so it's not complete yet. Okay, so I have filtered them based on the status if I have bought the required amount. Okay, so let me again bring it all together. Okay, so we also have to extend the selection here and merge this cell since it will look good. Let's do this. Okay, so it's done, and then we can similarly do Control A and select all of it and add borders. Okay, so now it's done. So here let's say that I want to know which fruits have I bought the required amount and which I haven't. So if I want to know, it's better to do something which will segregate both types of fruits, the ones which have been bought in proper quantity and the ones which we haven't. Okay, so here I'm going to add filters. So here is a tool. We will go to data, and here I can see filter. So when I enter filter, I can see that in this row all of the column headers have been added with filter. So here if I click here, I can select that if I want to see the fruits which haven't been bought completely yet. For example, if I select I want to select only the fruits which haven't been bought, so I'm selecting no and clicking on OK, then I can see that oranges, pineapple and watermelon haven't been bought in the required quantity. Okay, so this will help me understand. Similarly, if I want to check how many fruits I have bought completely, then I can see that I have bought apples, mangoes and papaya completely. So this helps us. So filter is a very effective tool in Excel, and it will help you make your day-to-day tasks at office very easy. The link to the document is shared in the description below. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Tech Trends with Nasir.